Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, on March 2nd last year, I had asked the Health Minister about the observations of the Population Crisis Committee on the family planning programs in the world at large and in the third world countries in particular. Stop. My intention in raising this half an hour discussion is to focus the attention of this August House and the government on the progress of the family planning programs in our own country and to take note of any shortcomings because I consider the family planning program is a national program accepted by all the parties and it is not merely the concern of the government that the program should succeed. Paragraph change. I would quote from the report of the Population Crisis Committee which has prepared world chart entitled World Access to Birth Control, according to which out of 95 developing countries containing more than half the population of the third world. Stop. This survey conducted by the PCC was one of the largest and most challenging research undertaken ever by such a committee. Stop. There are many more points in that report which are not very relevant to the present discussion. Stop. I would only confine my remarks to the family planning programs in this country. Stop. Before that, I would like briefly to refer to the concern of the world to this question because the problem of continued population growth worries the entire world. Stop. It has assumed such gigantic dimensions, especially in the developing countries where the rate of growth of population is considerably high. Stop. And because of this high growth of population, the economic benefits derived by these countries over the year are set at zero. Stop. Therefore, the whole world is exercised over this problem, particularly the third world countries. Stop. According to the statistics, the world population is now 5 billion, which is likely to be 6 billions at the end of the century. Stop. While the average growth of world population may come down to 1.5% by 2000 AD, the situation in the third world countries and particularly in India is very alarming, and according to a study of the United Nations Funds for Population Activities entitled Population Image 1986, if the present trend continuous, Asia will have by 2000 AD 58% of the world population. Stop. Africa will have 14% and all the industrialized countries will account for a bare 19%. Full stop.